What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend BTC. Happy Friday. Currently sitting at 25.4, up 1.3 on the day. See a market cap of 494 billion, 24 volume, 13.3 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So yesterday we showed this wave 3. Now I made a bit of an error since we were looking at ending diagonal. This is not a 5-wave impulse, it's an ABC. So now we're pushing up in the wave 4. We can certainly break down from here and come down in the wave 5 into our target zone, or push up in one more wave. Remember that a wave 4 can break into a wave 1, but it's invalidated if we break above the wave 2. If we were to break above the wave 2, we could consider a low being in, but as of right now, I'm focused on one more wave down. Looks like it may be starting right now. We have a topping tail candle right here, so we see if we break this small area of support. But if we do bounce, then just look for one more wave up before continuation down into our target zone. This is what we're looking for on the daily time frame. Dropping down into the zone, I think it's likely we bounce in between the 50% and the 61.8% fib level and not come all the way down to the 78.6. That's what I think is probable, and then see continuation up in a massive wave 3. On the weekly chart, I talked about us spending a week or two underneath the EMAs and then getting back above them, bouncing off this inverse head and shoulders. I think that's exactly what's going to happen. Now, looking at the DXY, a couple possibilities here. As I showed you guys yesterday, it is possible that we completed a 5-wave down and a wave A, and now we're pushing up in an ABC to complete the wave B, and then you would come down in a wave C. So that's a possibility, but if we fail to break this high, there's another scenario that I'm looking at, zoomed out here, and that is that we're yet to put in the wave 5. So you can see here with this wave count that the 5-wave move is already complete, but there is a possibility that this is all corrective and part of the wave 4. So if I grab my brush, this is the daily time frame from the previous top at 114, came down wave 1, wave 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, and potentially looking to come down in a wave 5, which would consist of 5 waves. So of course we can just break down from here, or we've come down in a wave 1, we bounce into 2, we see continuation down. Either way, when we start to come down, even if we do come up and break this high and then start to come down, that's when you're going to see that massive wave 3 for our friend BTC. Now this may be more likely because Bitcoin doesn't look like, in my opinion, maybe one more wave down. If we only see one more wave down, you might not see the DXY push all the way up to 105. We could likely just create a small bounce to put in that lower low, or I mean, Bitcoin has been falling as the DXY has been falling, so that shows a lot of weakness for Bitcoin. So it is possible that BTC just comes down and the DXY doesn't move too much, and then you just see the DXY can, oh sorry, let me pop over to this chart. You just see the DXY continue down, which will be positive for BTC. But as of right now, the DXY has been falling and the Bitcoin has not been bouncing. We did see a little bit of a bounce in the wave 4, but it does look like it's showing weakness against the DXY. So those are the possibilities. If we see a little bounce here for the DXY, then you see Bitcoin come down into our target zone, and the DXY may see continuation to the downside after that, and that's when we'll see the large wave 3 up to 40K. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at. Currently, we're in 4 trades right now: Sandbox, Gala Games, Ethereum, and BTC. If you want a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis, sign up to either Bitkit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. Make your first deposit. Email me. Your sign-up email takes 2 minutes. 30-day free trial to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, HODL all plays my Forex signals and analysis as well. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.